Hi, Ray Poynter here, and I want to talk to you about agents. Agents are going to be the biggest thing in 2026, something that you are going to need to use repeatedly if you are going to be able to scale up your operations. Now, I'm going to show you in this very short video a really simple example of using a gem in Gemini. It could be a GPT in ChatGPT, it could be an agent in Copilot, it could be a project in Claude. There's lots of ways of doing this, but for this example, let's just look at a gem in Gemini. And I'm going to show you how I check my presentations before they're finished. So I've created this gem, and let's look at the different parts of the gem. We'll just have a look at the top bit first. So I give it a name and I give it a simple description. And what I'm going to do is load up a PDF of a presentation so that it can check it. I find that working with PDFs is more reliable than working with PowerPoint presentations. And what else do we need to know? Well, in a very simple example of an agent like this, the key thing really is the instructions. So here are the instructions for this particular one. I'm telling it that it's an expert presenter. Really, this is just a prompt that I want to be using over and over again without having to think about it. So it always works the right way. I can optimize it over time. And that then takes me to running the presentation checker. So I've loaded up a PDF of a presentation and I'm going to ask it to analyze it. It steps through, and here's just a couple of the pages from its analysis. It looks at all of the, first of all, it would have told me about any critical errors, spelling mistakes, and so on. Then it steps through in groups of slides. So it's looking at slides 4 and 5, and it's looking at the usage activities. Then it looks at slides 6 and 7, and it warns me that I'm using, for example, the term vibe coding. Bit of a niche term, maybe I should mention it more. It makes some suggestions for how I might want to change the layout of the slides. Gets all the way through to the recommendations and conclusions, and then it gives me a 120 word summary of what is the main message in my slides. I find this is incredibly useful. It makes sure that I haven't dived into particular areas too deeply, that my main point is actually coming across. So all of this helps me check my presentations really quickly. So I'm running a 3-part course in February 2026 on the 4th, the 11th and the 18th. We're going to start with simple agents like these using Claude and Copilot and ChatGPT and Gemini. Then we're going to build up to more complicated ones, linking them together with knowledge, linking them together with connections. And then we're really going to build them up by the end of the 3rd lesson into more complicated things. We're going to look at using things like Zapier and N88 to get workflow automation. We're going to look at third-party tools. So if you want to go from a starting position to really quite advanced uses of agents, this is the course for you. Check it out online. Or message me and ask for more information.